heard the music. I know y'all heard the music. It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Welcome to another edition of Candle News Network, y'all. So, Bath and Body Works is not doing any sales for the past couple days, which has been pretty good. We need that break. Our pockets need that break, okay? We have to recover from SAS, y'all. So, we're going to talk about some other things that are coming your way from Bath and Body Works and other companies, of course, because there's more people in the world than just them. But let's start off with Sense Galore. Sense Galore posted that they're going to be doing laundry detergent samples for free if you're an app member. So you have to be a member of the app. And then I commented on it and I said, me, when I want a free sample, I said, I'm going to go in there with 7 different wigs and 7 different accounts and get me 7 samples, y'all. 777. Okay. But y'all, I don't even know. How can they know if you went in there 7 different times? Would they even know? I don't know. But I'm not gonna test that theory out because I ain't doing all that driving for something that costs $1.50. But I want to know with them small little samples, how much you gonna wash? You gonna wash a sock? I mean, what we washing? I don't know. But somebody said the pictures just make them itch. So I lost it. So we'll see when it comes out what really goes down with tea. Now I want to give y'all my thoughts on the hair care line. I use the Moxie one, the Moxie conditioner for coily hair, and I've tried the conditioner and the eucalyptus, and it's worked. It gives a lot of slip. It gives softness to the hair. So I really like it, but it ain't no wrecking. It's no wrecking, okay? It's no design essentials. It's definitely not. But hey, it's better than using that Dollar Tree Bolero in your hair. You know what I mean? Or that, what's that? Suave? Or is it the VO5? You know what I mean? So it's a step up in the right direction if you were looking to take a step up. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. But again, I can't tell you to get that shampoo because I don't know nothing about that. And I don't even want to know what that do. Okay. So Life Inside the Page Daily Finds CEO. CEO, CEO. Tess, I call her the CEO. Check out her blog spot, Life Inside the Page blog spot. Posted some things and I'm going to give my thoughts. First thing, I need all this. You already know when it comes to pocket backs, I need all of them. Now, my thoughts on this hand, Bath and Body Works, if you got a problem with me, just say that. That's all I'm going to say because you know my hands is on 18th century. Like, period. My hands is on 18th century, and then you gonna go ahead and sell something with my hand in print. Like, where can I collect my check? Where my check at? Because at this point, I think this is a personal dig. Let me stop. But yeah, this does look like my hand though, because my hands is on 18th century. But I think this is pretty cool. I like it. I like it. It has the ring on it, so I like that one. Now, Candles and Cork shared something with Sense Galore and also with Life Inside the Page, and it's the house. Now, Tebow fan said, this is 1/4 of $1,000 for this. Y'all had to take a minute and do the math. I was like, 1/4. Grace, get the calculator. Let me stop. But yeah, it is 1/4 of $1,000. And I just don't think this thing is worth it. And this is just my personal opinion. You're going to spend $250. It got to be popping and worth it. And for some people, this is popping and worth it because they love Halloween. But for me, when I think $250, I don't think this kind of design, and it just looks cheaply made this year. Now, out now, y'all, they have the wedding collection. And when I first read it, I said, forever, ever, forever, ever. You know what I mean? So, forever, ever, the wedding collection from K. Ali. I love that they have the 2 different colors going on. What I don't love is when you go click on to get the minis, they both are the same color. You don't get the black one. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But one thing I do like is my girl Devin. Hey, Devin. Devin got them, guys. She got them in the full size. So she got both colors. And she said, you might need this thing like real bad. So y'all need to go check out Devin's review. Go ahead right now. Go ahead, let her know I sent you. And go subscribe to her channel and turn the notifications on. She's always up to date. She's real quick, never late. So check her out. Now, my girl, plug by Amber. If you're not checking her out on Instagram and YouTube, you need to. She's on both. She gave us a heads up 7 up. I just had to put heads up 7 up. Y'all remember that game? Heads up 7 up. Oh my goodness. To go back to childhood before computers, Lord. Well, not before computers. Was computers was around, but we wasn't on them like that. Okay. Moonlight Glow is coming. Moonlight Glow is coming from Tree Hut. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna go today and see if they got it. Probably not, but I'm gonna still go. Now my girl Tiffany Vanessa, if you do not check her out, you need to. Tiffany Vanessa 35. She's on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. She gave us another heads up that New is coming to all these. Okay, they got one more summer drop coming, and it should start rolling out on the 9th, I think she said, or something, the week of the 9th. So go and check her out. Go follow her. Go subscribe. Let her know I sent you. Now, another thing you need to go follow and watch is my video that went out last night. I know it came out when a lot of people were asleep. So go check it out. It is a come with me, shop with me at DD's Discounts, y'all. I know nothing about DD's until now, for real, for real. And I have to tell you, we will be back, okay? And I had a desk reveal and a tea time review on Kringle Tea Time Candle. So go and check out that video as well. Find out about a new candle that you may need for your stash and a candle from Bath and Body Works that's definitely a need for your stash. Now let's get into my final thoughts, because this is the reason why I wanted to do the whole video, because I had a feeling somebody needed this message that I'm about to say. All right. A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. Okay. Give it one more time for the slow people in the back. That just made you smile, didn't it? A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. It's something about when somebody just smile at you. You could be having the worst day. You got the worst day in life. And you like, and you go and somebody smiles at you just at the gas station or anywhere. And then your whole day just turns around and you like, you know what? It ain't that bad. Or if a baby smile at you, or you like, you know what? This ain't that bad. So I challenge you today to smile at somebody that you know is having a bad day, that you can see it all over their face that they worried about something, and just smile at them. They might look at you like you're crazy, because they're like, what the heck? You see my face all tore up. But trust me, when they get in that car, they gonna smile. Okay. So that's what I challenge y'all to do, to go ahead and smile at anybody and everybody. And that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and DJ. One time for the people that's just going to smile. I don't even know the words. You look so much better when you smile. So smile, smile. Da 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 da. Ah da 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 da. Even though I've been there for a while, I smile. Oh oh oh. You look so much better when you Don't sue me, Kurt Franklin. Bye.